Welcome back to Drive Royale, the place where legendary machines meet luxury, power and pure road presence. If you love extreme vehicles, iconic designs, and dream builds that push limits, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome, a rolling mansion built on one of the most iconic trucks ever created. The Kenworth W900 has always been a symbol of American muscle on the highway. For decades, this long-nosed legend ruled the roads with its bold chrome grille, massive hood, and unmistakable stance. Now imagine taking that raw trucking heritage and transforming it into a luxury motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel on wheels. That's exactly what the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome delivers, and it does so in jaw-dropping fashion. From the outside, this motorhome doesn't try to hide its truck roots. The classic W900 design remains proudly intact, with its towering hood, exposed air cleaners, and polished chrome accents shining under the sun. LED lighting is seamlessly integrated across the front and sides, giving it a modern edge while respecting its old-school soul. Massive fuel tanks, extended side fairings, and custom body panels stretch the vehicle's length, instantly telling everyone on the road that this is no ordinary RV. Under the hood, power is the heart of this beast. The 2026 W900 Motorhome is expected to feature a high-performance Cummins X15 engine or an equivalent heavy-duty diesel, producing immense torque, designed to move mountains with ease. This motorhome doesn't struggle on steep grades or long highways. It dominates them. Paired with an advanced automated manual transmission, driving this massive luxury rig feels smoother and more controlled than ever before, even for long cross-country journeys. Step inside, and the transformation is nothing short of astonishing. The cabin feels like you've entered a high-end penthouse rather than a truck-based motorhome. Premium leather seats greet you up front, complete with heating, cooling, and memory functions. The dashboard blends classic Kenworth styling with modern digital displays, giving the driver full control over navigation, performance data, and entertainment, all within arm's reach. As you move into the living area, space opens up dramatically. Slide-out sections expand the interior, creating a wide, open lounge that feels bright and welcoming. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and walls, setting the mood whether it's day or night. Plush sofas, custom wood finishes, and high-quality materials surround you, making every moment inside feel luxurious and calm. The kitchen area is fully equipped for life on the road without compromise. You'll find a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a dishwasher in some configurations. Countertops are crafted from premium stone or composite materials, and smart storage solutions ensure everything has its place. Whether you're making a quick coffee or preparing a full meal, this kitchen handles it effortlessly. The bedroom is where the W900 Motorhome truly shows its luxury ambitions. A king-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by sound-insulated walls for peaceful sleep no matter where you park. Large wardrobes, hidden storage compartments, and smart climate control turn this space into a personal retreat. Large windows with blackout shades offer stunning views by day and complete privacy by night. The bathroom rivals those found in luxury apartments. A full-size shower with glass enclosure, premium fixtures, modern vanity, and ample storage make it feel anything but cramped. High-end water management systems ensure efficiency without sacrificing comfort, making long trips more convenient than ever. Technology plays a major role throughout the motorhome. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security systems. High-speed satellite internet keeps you connected wherever the road takes you. Multiple large screens allow for movie nights, gaming, or monitoring exterior. Cameras that provide a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, collision mitigation, and stability control, all specially tuned for a vehicle of this size. Despite its massive presence, the W900 Motorhome feels confident and secure on the road. What truly sets the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome apart is its personality. This isn't just about luxury or comfort. It's about presence. It's about pulling into a campground or rest stop and instantly becoming the center of attention. It's about combining the soul of a classic American truck with the lifestyle of elite travel. This motorhome is built for those who refuse to blend in, for drivers who want power, prestige, and comfort all in one unstoppable package. It's not just transportation, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a rolling symbol of freedom. If this is your kind of machine, make sure you're subscribed to Drive Royale for more exclusive looks at the most insane vehicles on the planet. Drop a like if you take this beast across the country, and comment below where you drive the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome first. Until next time, keep ruling the road.